Hey guys, what's up? Here I am, Wali from bestbloggerkb.com with advanced complete CMS and website project in PHP. So friends, I left you previously on this page, and I added a link to this title of the post, and as well as a read more link here. When someone click this link, so the page should be, the full story should be displayed on a different page. So for that we need to create another page, that is pages.php. so just create a new page, Control N, and copy the index file, which is here. For example, here we have inside the Malala folder the index file. We need to open that and just copy all, Control A, and copy Control C and paste here, and just save it, Control S, with the name pages.php. This is the pages.php file we have just created. Very simple. And just we need to remove this remove this main content area, and this main content area, and just make some space here. And now we want to show the rest of the page here. For that we need to just copy this whole things from here, from this page. Just we will copy, Control A, I selected all, and after that I just copy it by using Control C, and now pages.php, inside pages.php I will just paste them here. So this is basically very simple. You just need to you want to show all the things, okay, but just you need to remove this, because you don't need to show 200 characters. So you need to remove this command subscription from this post content. And one important thing is you will create something, you will just remove this query, and you will create another query here, and just you will say that if is set $_get, because that variable ID is coming from the get method. So after that you are saying that this thing should be done. Here you are just close this curly bracket here, which is of that if is set command from here. Yeah, now you just need to create a variable page is equal to ID. Okay, page is equal to ID, and here you are saying that $_get, and the ID is basically the get ID, which we are catching from there is just this ID. Okay, so we are saving. What we are doing, we just basically we created this new page, we copied all the index page here, and we removed the post include, and we just inserted this the main content page from there. This we did this because for saving time and for very simplicity. So first of all we said that if ID is clicked, for example we are saying if this ID is clicked, this title or the read more link is clicked, so definitely the person the visitor will be coming to pages.php ID. So pages.php ID is here, pages.php page, so that page is here. When the person will click that, so we will just say that if is set when this ID is active, this ID which we have given there is clicked or active, then we said that create a new local variable page_ID, and that is equal to get ID, because the person, the data is coming into get method, and that's name is ID. So we have cached that here and have saved in this local variable. Now here we say that select_query. Okay, this is select_query. We said that select static all from post, where now we need to use where condition here, where post ID inside our where post_ID, we are saying that this is our table, where post ID, this is post ID. We are saying that post ID is equal to this coming ID, this page_ID, and inside single quotes we are saying that, because already we have inserted 2 double quotes here and here. So inside 2 double quotes you always you must use single quotes. Okay, so what we said, we we saved a query, MySQL query inside this local variable select query. We said that select all from post, where post ID inside the table is equal to this ID, the specific ID which is coming into this get method. So after that we said that run query, this we change this variable to run query and select query. Yes, we said that MySQL query by using MySQL default command query, run this query, which is this query, select query here. So we then said while run query, we just created a row here. You can see while row MySQL fetch array, which this one query, and just this is the query, and we are just retrieving all the data as same as we did in previous on this page, on content page. We are doing the same thing here. Everything is coming from the database, and now everything is here, you can see, and we don't need this read more link here because we want to show the full page here. That's it, really simple. If you have understood this, then this is simple. I think we didn't do anything, we just changed, we got the ID variable, and after that we saved that ID inside this page, and we then saved it in a query, and we ran a query of MySQL and just use where command post ID is equal to this coming ID, and that is here. We run the query, and we have also run the while loop and the same thing. So Control S to save. Now check out here, refresh this page again. Now this is the Zardari post. Okay, Zardari meets Malala. Just read more, click read more, either read more link or this Pakistan president, this title. So if you click this, yeah, the person is coming to here, and all the post is being showed here. Now you can see this is really simple, and if you added a link to home page, then it may also be good. Home page, where is the home page? Home page is inside includes, and there is a navigation bar, nav bar. Just add a link index.php to home page. Control S to save, and now come here, refresh this page, and whenever you will click home, you will be back to home page. You can see here is all posts, and now click any of the read more link, either you will see the full post here. Now if you want to show the full image, you can also show the full image here in the full data and story here. And also if you clicked, once again I am coming to home, also if you click this for example this title, it will also take you to that pages.php and will show you the full story. Yeah, here is the full story. You can see there is no more read more link or etc. This is very simple. I think you have got it. And now the next part is to work inside this sidebar in our upcoming tutorial, and after that we will go more deep in this project. And also we have to create the admin panel for this project, because so far we are working directly and we are inserting posts using this this insertion form, but we need to create a separate admin panel for administration, where only admin will be allowed to log in and to view posts, to delete posts, to edit posts, to insert posts, to view comments, to delete comments, and to do many tasks as needed for our website. So stay tuned till next tutorial.